Hello folks, and welcome to an opportunity with Leo Agriculture. We're seeking dedicated agricultural dealers to join our network of distributors. At Leo, we build our machines heavier and more robust, addressing weaknesses where others fall short. From our manufacturing head offices in southern Wisconsin and 3 global manufacturing locations, we produce the 70 series VT and HD vertical mixer and the mini series feed mixers, each featuring our innovative modular knife system. The manure spreader range is the leader in spread quality and construction. The 20 series side discharge with 1/4-inch stainless steel hoppers and the 80 series rear discharge manure spreaders with the best spread pattern in the industry. If you're an agricultural dealer looking to expand your offerings, consider becoming a Leo distributor. Visit www.leo-ag.com or contact us at info@leoagriculture.com for more information. Let's build a successful partnership together. Leo Agriculture is practical too, utilizing common components that meet ISO and SAE standards alongside our stocked warehouses. This ensures that parts are readily available on the shelves of your local agricultural suppliers, making maintenance a breeze. Our commitment to constant development and improvement keeps us ahead of the competition. As a family-owned company since 1988, we have accumulated decades of knowledge. We even farmed with these machines ourselves. This hands-on approach allows us to continually evaluate and enhance our designs. With a global spare parts network, we ensure reliability for our partners. Visit www.leo-ag.com or contact us at info@leoagriculture.com for more information. Or comment, reply, or direct message this account for more details.